because you don't stay with your seniors. So because of it, I got to take a seat at the back because I want my own people, when it's my turn for people to respect me. So let me stand on all protocols, paying my due respect to very respected class of 99, to Excellency the former Senate President, and all the excellencies that are here, Royal Highness, and everything. Let me stand on all due and existing protocol. We're here today to celebrate a man that has been celebrated more than this. I know I just asked Lucky in his 90th birthday a question, and I'm going to repeat it here. Just to discuss the private, I'll say it here. We live in a country that don't celebrate those who are supposed to be celebrated. If we do, the celebration would have been more. Who is representing Ministry of Education here? He built the first university. Who is representing Ministry of Transport? He did the first airline. It was among the first 3 to be given banking license, private banking license. I mean that industry. So I know when they built banking industry, he did a lot in education, employing people, 17,000 people. Nigeria today, if we had been a country that is productive, over 120 million people would have been employed. That means someone person is employing 17,000. So we need about 8,000 industries to be able to do that. But we have about 1,000 functional industries. That's why we have unemployment. So you need more than this celebration. And I plead with AGF. I know you're going to do more. But now that we have an opportunity, we have to change the way we honor people. The GCFR and GCON should be people who are entrepreneurial and productive, not of the position. If they like, they can remove their own and give them so that the country can produce and be able to employ people. If they don't deserve more, not just national honor, all the support government can give you. And that's what we need to be celebrating, so that more people can go into entrepreneurship, support education, support what they did. That is a great work, and I'm sure you will do your own to be able to advise accordingly. And so that in the next few days, maybe, yes, we'll be hearing things different. I thank you. You won't look for me when you talk about education. The rest assured that from today, endowment is not paid in one day. Endowment continues. And I assure you that annually, the endowment fund will see Mr. Peter Obi's little contribution. And this for the next 10 years, as long as I live. Because what he did is a great thing. Because of him today, in my village, in every village in Nigeria, if you have a means of solving transport, it's called Okada. What more do we need? It deserves more than we are celebrating here. Let us celebrate him. May God continue to bless your family, bless all of us that are gathered here. Thank you.